Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Roshan, your teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning shapes and colors. Okay, so there will be a small revision on it. Okay, count and write the number of each shape you see in the picture. Then color the picture. First, what you will do, you have to count and write the number of each shape you see in the picture. Then what will you do? You have to color the picture. So for example, we'll count square. How many squares are there in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 squares. So write number 5 beside square. Now we'll count how many rectangle shapes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 rectangle shapes. Now we'll count how many triangle shapes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 4 triangle shapes. So write number 4. Now we'll count how many star shape is here. There is only 1 star. So write number 1. Now we'll count how many circle shape is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write number 7. Then you have to color. You can use any color, okay, of your choice, and then color this picture of robot. That is your homework. Now we'll go to the next page. Pick the shape that will come next in the pattern in each set. Pick the shape that will come next in the pattern in each set. So here there is a shape of heart, triangle, heart, triangle. So again the heart will come. So you have to tick the shape. Same goes here. There is a shape of circle. Then there is a shape. So circle will come. So tick that shape. Now we'll learn pre-number concepts. So color the big vase. Here there is 2 vases given here. So we'll color the big one. Then color the heavy fruit. Apple, and there is a pineapple. So color the pineapple because this one is the heavy fruit. Now circle the small box. So there are big box and the small one. Okay, ये है बड़ा वाला और ये है छोटा वाला. So here we are going to circle the small one. So circle the small box. Take the take the short boy. So here you can see that there is a short one here and he is the taller one. So take the short one. Now take the pole on the right. राइट हैंड साइड में जो पोल है आपको उसे टिक करना है. सो टिक द पोल ऑन राइट हैंड साइड. नाउ सर्कल द थिक पेंसिल. थिक और थिन. सो सर्कल थिक वन. सो दिस वन. ओके. नाउ राइट O for 1 and M for many things. जो एक सिंगल थिंग है उसे आपको लिखना है ONE1. सो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर O. और जो बहुत ज़्यादा है उसे हम लिखेंगे many का फर्स्ट लेटर दैट इज M. ओके. सो दिस इज ओनली 1. सो राइट O. These are many. So write M. So here there is a red bug. Those are many. So write M. There is a butterfly. There is only 1. So write O. Now look at the things given on the left. Then find the things of the same size and circle them. So can you see on your left hand side there are pictures given here, and in the same row you have to check if there is a picture of a same size. Can you recognize the size? Yes, we can recognize it, right? Because this one is small picture and this is a big, and it is a similar size. So what are we going to do here? We are going to circle them. Now there's a candle, so we are going to circle the same size candle. So rest you have to do, that is your homework. Now take the smaller watermelon. एक तो बड़ा है और एक काफ़ी छोटा है. So one is big and one is small. Which one is small? This, right? So put a tick on that. Now tick the tall tree. Which one is a tall tree? This? No. This one is a tall tree. So tick. Take the bat on the left hand side. आपका left hand side कौन सा है? वो वाले बैट को आपको क्या करना है? टिक मार्क डालना है. टेक द फ्लावर ऑन द राइट. राइट हैंड साइड में कौन सा फ्लावर है? सो पुट द टिक मार्क ऑन दैट. Now we'll learn from number 1 to 50. From number 1 to 50. So join the dots from 1 to 50 and color the picture. So there is a picture of a bird and we are going to join the dots from number 1 to 50 and then we'll color this picture, okay? So start from number 1. You have to use your pencil to do this. I'm using your pen so that you all can see it clearly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, then 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then we'll move on to 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So you can see our picture of bird is complete. Now you have to color, okay? That is your homework. Now write the numbers from 1 to 50. Write numbers from 1 to 50. So this is your homework. You have to write it down and you also have to write in your notebook as well, okay? Now write the missing numbers to complete counting from 1 to 50. So there you have to write here missing number. For example, 1 is already given and number 3 is already given. So between 1 and 3, which number it comes? 1. After 1, 2, 3. 3 के बाद 4, 5, 6. Then what is after 6? 7, 8. After 8, numbers are given 9, 10. What is after 10? 11, 12. So like this you have to write till number 1 to 50. Okay, that is your homework. Now here write the missing numbers in each row. Write the missing numbers in each row. So you can see in each row there are some numbers missing here. So from 21 you have to start and start writing 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and then 27. So in second row you have to write from 11, 12, 13, 14 and the last one is already given. Okay. Now count and cross the fruits according to the given picture. Count and cross the fruits according to the given numbers. Okay, so you have to cross the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So how many numbers of apple we crossed? Number 17. So same likewise you have to cancel the numbers, count and cross the fruits according to the given numbers. Okay. Now here count and write the number in the box. Then match the correct sets. So here what are we going to do? We are going to count the objects and then we are going to write the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So write 1 and 8, 18. How many flowers are here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write number 11. Count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write 1 and 4, 14. Count the jellies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can see there is a similar set of 14. There are leaves of 14. There is a jelly set also 14. So that you have to match. Rest 2 you have to count and write the number and then match. That is your homework. Okay. Now here bigger and smaller numbers. Here we are going to learn bigger and smaller numbers. So listen carefully. Okay. And then you understand. So which number is bigger? Number 6 is bigger. यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 6. 6 क्यों बड़ा है? क्योंकि 4 के बाद आता है, right? So which number is smaller? Number 5 is smaller. Okay. Which number is bigger? Number 10 is bigger. So after 2 there are so many number it comes, then the number 10 comes, right? So there are 10 is bigger. So here which number is smaller? जो पहले जो नंबर आता है वो कौन सा होता है? Smaller number. So number 1 is smaller, right? Which number is smaller here? Between 8 and 2, number 2 is smaller. Which number is bigger? 7 and 1. So there is number 7 in the bigger. Which number is smaller here? In between 3 and 4, the number 3 is bigger. Okay. So circle the bigger number in each pair. So here there is a bigger number here. Which number is bigger? 6. Now circle here. Which number is bigger number here? Number 10. And in this row there is a number 45. Now same thing, you have to see which number is bigger and accordingly you have to circle. Okay. Now here you are going to circle the smaller number in each pair. So you have to circle smaller number in each pair. So here there is a number 23 and 48. So which number is smaller? 23. In 31 and 13, which number is smaller? 1 and 3, 13. Right? So now here we are going to learn after, between and before. After, between and before. So write the numbers that come after the given numbers. So there is a number given 2 and 3, 23. So which number it comes after 23? 2 and 4, 24. So write down here 2 and 4, 24. Which number is after 9? 1, 0, 10. Which number is after 3 and 1, 31? 3 and 2, 32. So now we'll go to the next part, that is write the numbers that come between the given numbers. So you can see there is number 47 and 49 already given here. So which is the between number here? 47 और 49 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 47. After 47 there is a number 48. Okay. So there is a number 11 and number 1 and 3, 13. So which number comes between 11 and then 1 and 2, 12. So write the numbers that come before the given numbers. So there is a 1, 0, 10. So before number कौन सा है? 1, 0, 10. So there is a number 9. So before 29, which number it comes? 2 and 8, 28. 3, 8, 38. Before that, which number it comes? 3 and 7, 37. So last one you have to write. Okay, that is your homework. So write the numbers that comes before and after the given number. Write the numbers that comes before and after the given numbers. So you can see before 12 कौन सा नंबर आता है वो आपको यहाँ लिखना है. Before 12 which number comes? 11. And after 12 which number comes? 13. 1 and 3, 30. Okay, that you have to write. So this is your homework.